This video covers the IGCSE Biology Objective 6.1.2 on the 2025 CAIE syllabus to state the word equation for photosynthesis. So here we have the word equation. The basics are here. Carbon dioxide plus water with light energy and in the chlorophyll will yield, that's what the arrow represents, we use the word yield, glucose plus oxygen. So let's break this down a little bit further. So the carbon dioxide and water are what we call reactants. Those are the substances that will be used to create the new substances, and those new substances, glucose and oxygen, are the products of this chemical reaction. So we already said that light is the energy for the reaction to take place. So there are two types of chemical reactions: reactions that take in energy and reactions that produce energy. So photosynthesis is a reaction that will take in energy, and the energy that it takes in order for the chemical reaction to happen is light. Now, the carbon dioxide and water, our reactants, are what we call raw materials. Both of these are inorganic compounds that will be used to produce the products in this chemical reaction. Now, the products are going to be glucose and oxygen. Glucose is going to be the stored chemical energy. So the light energy is going to convert into chemical energy through this process, and we know that energy can be converted if we've studied that in physics. So energy is neither created nor destroyed. Energy is only converted from one type to another. So in this case, the light energy which is being used is going to be converted into chemical energy and stored in the glucose molecule. Now, glucose is what we call an organic compound, so that's important to note. Carbon dioxide and water are inorganic compounds, and glucose is an organic compound. And then oxygen is merely a waste product. The photosynthetic organism that is doing that this reaction is happening in is not going to use the oxygen gas in that particular state. So it becomes waste and is released to the atmosphere. Now, yes, many organisms do require oxygen to do respiration, but they will use a different form of oxygen and they will acquire it differently. So this oxygen molecule is not what is used in respiration. This oxygen molecule is waste and it's released. Now, the chlorophyll is very important. Chlorophyll is a green pigment that is found in the chloroplast organelle of a photosynthetic cell, whether it is a plant or just a protist that is a one-celled organism. So the chlorophyll is what is actually going to absorb the light energy. So think of it as like a solar panel receptor. The solar panel receptor is going to absorb that light energy, and that is what the chlorophyll molecule does in living organisms. So this is our word equation: carbon dioxide plus water with light energy in the chlorophyll yields glucose plus oxygen.